Here's how to remove friend suggestions on Snapchat. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open Snapchat and click on your profile icon on top left corner. From here, go to your settings by clicking on top right. Alright, now here, scroll down and under privacy control, click on contact me and here, make sure you have selected friends. Now, go back and click on see me in find friends and here, disable this option, show me in find friends. Alright, now scroll down and under account actions, click on permissions and here make sure you have disabled Snapchat from allowing your contacts. As you can see, mine is already disabled. Now go back and here click on clear cache and click on continue. Alright. Now here's something you should know. All the ways I have showed you will stop you from appearing in other people's friend suggestions, but it doesn't fully remove seeing suggestions on your end. You can't totally remove every suggestion. You have to manually remove suggestion by tapping on X. Snapchat does not give you a full disable all suggestions feature. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.